Ito ay nagsasabi na.
Amazed by the art, but they raising a brow. Following your heart, you should take another round. Oh, you think you bald, then you really gotta bounce. How about you sleep like the beach is around? And before it goes down, maybe throw in the
Jesus Christ tried over sin, hell, and the grave.
Ito ay nagsasabi na.
Oh, so you take the same line I take here.
You better be who God created you to be. God creation. You not hell. The son of the devil.
My dad's
Hey, this is Toronto. Look at you. Thank you. Toronto. Growing with your guts getting tough in this town. You gon' have some problems adjusting the crown. Thinking about your hair, how they judge the sound. Wasn't trusting them then, I ain't trusting them. I could never get stuck, now I'm hustling loud. Showing them what's up, I ain't ducking the crowd. I can always count on my luck in the drought. Like just a couple more bucks and I'm out. Amazed by the art, but they raising a brow. Following your heart, you should take another round. Oh, you think you bald, then you really gotta bounce. How about you sleep like the beach is around? And before it goes down, maybe throw in the towel. Heard them all out, turn it cancel the trial. We ain't been feeling y'all raps in a while. Maybe just say that you don't know how. Hey, been strange, everything is in flames. It's just vain, why they going insane? This thing's getting hard to explain why. Hey, peace of love, Toronto. You ready? Keeping it simple, hope the good folks should be grateful. We all got a right to the mic and expect for your life. Gotta know what you need for. Some people don't know what they into, while others come close to their closure. The post what they've been through. And suppose everything's on the menu. And doing me isn't supposed to offend you. Yeah, that's what we are. Make it feel smart when we spit something dumb. And do it all again when we get to the one. We about to do the impossible, huh? Y'all nominate my hip hop to the front. You know these dudes ain't slick with their tongue. Make sure you get you a cat with some style. She ain't been chilling, y'all raps in a while. Maybe just say that you don't know how. Hey, bitch, brain, everything is insane. This brain, insane. This thing's getting hot, it's getting right.
Listen to him, my Jesus, and he said, I was from on that number still. I was from on that. Jesus, yeah. You know why you can say Jesus' name? Because he's living in me, in my heart. That's why we take Jesus on the street. And the living house, you're the house he wants to live in. Not your heart. That's the house he wants to live in. I will build a church. Hell shall not prevail. Know ye not your body's a temple? Yeah, the devil got you in bondage. And you think it's all fun and games? The worldly garbage, homosexuality, lesbian, that's all an abomination. To go and sin the Lord.
Hi, happy Halloween.
You too. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween! I'll take this one.
All right, bye.
If she would have applied for anything, it would have been that. Yeah. It would have been the pumpkin pie.
You're very welcome. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
That one's allowed back in until the sufficient time,
Including for the parents.
I sneak a couple.
I'm glad. like, oh my god, I didn't know where one kid was. I didn't know where this was. And then they're like, oh, you should have put an air tag on each kid. I'm like, oh, you know, we actually have, my dad bought some air tags. He gave us like, he got back before and gave us 2.
Right.
Oh, she sees the heads. Oh, we gotta hold on. Look at all these houses you're gonna have to go on, and that's it. Here. Okay, here. Here. This is. Olive. El mondo.
That's a good one.
Because it should go. And then Mary, I think this is too much.
Oh, the panda tree brought you back.
Wait, let's just go this way.
Hello, happy Halloween. Who's next? Happy Halloween.
We did Batman and Raga. Or Bat. We did that one. Last year that was last year. 2 years ago? I don't know.
You guys just look who walked in.